Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing my everyday school makeup tutorial and it looks kind of natural as if I have no makeup. So I made up these techniques all by myself. Carry on watching to know how I got this look. So to start off, I'm going to take my MAC foundation and I'm going to squirt once on my hand. This is the MAC Pro Longwear foundation. It's in NC42. Then I'm going to get my face lotion. This is Dove Essential Nourishing Lotion for dry skin. And I'm going to put quite a lot of that here. So now I'm going to take this brush. It's called a stippling brush. And I'm going to use that to mix the lotion and the foundation together. This is gonna make a tinted moisturizer, and it's like a hack I do to make my complexion more one tone. Put it all over my face. And now I'm going to get a beauty blender and blend this all in. I'm going to take concealer and put a little bit under my eyes and a line down my nose. And I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it out. So now I'm going to take my powder and put it in the lid. Then use this sponge to dip it in. Just to set the concealer in place and the tinted moisturizer. So now I'm going to take this brush and put powder on it just to set the rest of my face. And now I'm going to brush off the bake. Now that my face is set with powder, it's kind of matte, so I'm going to take this liquid highlighter by a Revolution and put some here. Then blend it out with your finger. And I blended it out almost to my skin, so it doesn't even look like I have highlighter on, but it just makes your face look really healthy. Then a little bit on my nose. And now I'm going to take my Miss Sporty mascara and put a lot on my lashes. So after doing all of this, I'm going to take a wipe and wipe my lips. Then take lip gloss, clear lip gloss, and put it all over your lips.
Money bag, money bag, money bag. Bitch, I'm making like a money bag. Money bag. God, I do the Maybach on Monday, Ferrari Friday.